Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're taking a look at Luno, a cryptocurrency platform available at www.luno.com. Luno offers a convenient and user-friendly way to buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies. This platform provides a streamlined experience for both newcomers to the crypto world and experienced traders alike. With its intuitive interface, Luno makes navigating the complexities of digital assets significantly easier. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other popular cryptocurrencies, Luno offers a secure and regulated environment for your investments. Their platform boasts robust security measures to protect user funds and personal information. Beyond simply buying and selling, Luno also provides educational resources to help users understand the intricacies of the cryptocurrency market. From beginner guides to advanced trading strategies, Luno empowers users with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions. With its global reach, Luno supports multiple currencies and payment methods, making it accessible to a wide audience. They also offer a dedicated mobile app, allowing users to manage their crypto portfolios on the go. Luno prioritizes customer support, offering assistance through various channels to address any questions or concerns users may have. For those seeking a reliable and comprehensive platform for their cryptocurrency journey, Luno presents a compelling option. Be sure to check out their website at www.luno.com to learn more about their features and offerings. Explore the world of crypto with confidence using Luno's user-friendly platform and extensive resources. They are committed to providing a secure and accessible experience for everyone interested in participating in the digital asset market. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, Luno offers a platform designed to meet your needs. Remember to visit www.luno.com to begin your crypto journey today. Thanks for watching.